Hey, do you ever feel that you can put anything, seriously, you can't put anything on your skin without feeling like it's going to crawl right off your body? Well, if that happens, you probably have sensitive skin. But really, like when it comes to finding the right formula to deal with sensitive skin, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. No, wait, that's too easy, right? It's like finding a needle in a haystack that it's on fire. Now we're talking, right? Listen, if you are fed up with trying to work out a skincare routine that works for your sensitive skin, well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 of the best tips for dealing with sensitive skin. Hi, I'm Elaine Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Listen, the truth is that sensitive skin is temperamental, okay? And it's particularly prone to irritation. And this can be due to several factors, including genetics, environment, and even certain medications. Sensitive skin usually means a weaker skin barrier, which makes your skin more susceptible to irritation and dehydration. Plus, skin conditions like eczema, rosacea, and dermatitis. It may seem hopeless, but with the proper, skin regimen, you can keep your skin on, tip-top condition. So let's take a look at our very first tip. Number 1 is use a few products. Few products and few ingredients as possible. Listen, if you have sensitive skin, the best skincare routine is no skincare routine. I mean, okay, that's a bit of an exaggeration perhaps, but the truth is that the fewer products you use, the fewer ingredients in those products, the better. So basically, keep it simple. Whatever skincare products you use, stick to gentle, fragrance-free formulas. By the way, let me tell you, I have a video on understanding fragrance in skincare. If you don't know the difference between fragrance-free and unscented skincare, well, that video is for you. Anyway, remember that less is always more when it comes to sensitive skin. Honestly, beautiful, you do not need a 26-step skincare routine. A gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, and of course, sunscreen will do the trick for you. That's it. If you are on a budget, go for Neutrogena. They have an ultra gently daily cleanser. It's especially formulated for people with sensitive skin. If you can go higher on price, Tata Harper's cleansers or Agostino's Butter, the ultimate soothing cream. It's very expensive. It's around $280, I know. So if you want me, by the way, to do a video on moisturizers for sensitive skin with different price ranges, let me know in the comments below. Tip number 2, do not overdo it. And do not overdo it cleansing and exfoliation. When it comes to keeping your skin clean, it's not only about the products that you are using, but how often you wash and exfoliate your skin. Listen, if you have sensitive skin, you need to be especially cautious when it comes to, overdoing it, overwashing and over exfoliating your skin. As the skin has its own natural process for staying clean and healthy. The skin naturally makes its oil, lipids, and the proteins on the skin's surface, creating a barrier that will help you trap dirt, dust, and other impurities. I've said it before, it's essential to remove dirt, oil, and makeup daily, but overwashing and over exfoliating will strip away the lipids and proteins that keep your skin healthy, hydrated. And if you overdo it, you are going to feel dry, tight, and irritated, okay? So instead of harsh cleansers and exfoliators, stick to a gentle cleanser that won't strip away your skin's natural protective barrier. And depending on your skin's conditions, you may want to use acids from time to time. Some, you will want to go for lactic, tartaric, or even LHAs. They are very gentle and they work also great as an anti-aging tool. If you don't know which acid you have to, which one is best for you, there is a link in the description box. for a quiz, and I also have a series on acids. Okay, tip number 3 for you, and this one is very boring, I have to tell you, but you need to read the labels. Yes, I mean, like, if you have sensitive skin, reading skincare product labels is a must, okay? You need to get educated, and there, you know, that's where Beauty by Code comes in. Listen, the truth is that even the more, you know, the gentlest formulas can contain harsh or irritating ingredients for you. So the first step is to familiarize with the most common, you know, like skin offenders. Alcohol, for example, right? Like, alcohol is often used as a way to thin out products, and it can also cause dryness, redness, and even inflammation. Same goes for essential oils. Even in clean beauty, they may smell nice, but they can be very irritating for those of you with sensitive skin. So you need to recognize which one are your skin can tolerate, and which ones you need to, you know, stay away. Also beautiful, you know, I'm feeling happy today. You need to watch out for fragrances. Often they are used to mask certain scent, and others are potentially, you know, they can irritate your skin. Some of those fragrances are considered a major aggressor for people with sensitive skin. I know it can take years of trying and, you know, to figure out what your skin likes and doesn't like, and take it from me. But there are a few other specific ingredients that are almost guaranteed to cause a reaction. So if you have sensitive skin, you need to watch out for those common triggers. I'm going to post them on the video somewhere. You need to learn to recognize them on the labels. Go for clean products, you know, like, that's your best bet. Now, okay, I am not saying that you need to eliminate all those ingredients from your products, okay? I'm just saying that you need to be aware of them. There is a difference. Tip number 4, and I know you don't like this, but you need to patch test your products, okay? When you find something that sounds promising, it can be very tempting, right? Like, to go for, you know, like, all guns blazing. After all, I mean, like, who doesn't love that feeling of, you know, when you're slathering on a new face cream or a serum and hoping for the best? But hold on. I mean, like, I always advocate for a patch testing. Not tasting, but testing. Especially if you have sensitive skin. If there is a new product or an ingredient that you really want to try out, well, especially if it has, you know, some type of retinoid, or if it's an exfoliant, always do a patch test, and let's see how your skin reacts. And, you know, it's very easy, you know the drill. You can apply it, you can apply a small amount on the back of your ear, and then you wait for 24 hours, 48 hours if you're very courageous, and then you see what happens. Hey, I know that patch testing may not sound like much fun when you can't wait to see whether a new product works for you, but honestly, it can save you from a world of redness, itchiness, and even pain, okay? And as a bonus, I mean, you can find out whether the product is comedogenic on your skin, meaning whether it will block your pores or not. Now, there's a whole world of skincare ingredients out there that will promise to fix your skin woods, but some of them may do more harm than good. Plus, sensitive skin can be finicky, so what works for one person may not work for you. Listen, the truth is that your skin has its own code, okay? And you should honor if you want a healthy, beautiful skin. Tip number 5, well, yes, you need to wear sunscreen. For those of us with sensitive skin, or for those of you with sensitive skin, the sun can be a real pain in the neck, like, seriously. Sunburns, rashes, and other irritations are all too common when we don't take proper, the proper precautions. Hey, when you are exposed to the sun's UVA and UVB rays, well, sensitive skin is more likely to experience redness, burning, and swelling, okay? And in severe cases, it can even blister or peel. And the sun doesn't have to be shining for your skin to receive like a harmful dose of UV radiation. Okay, so what do we do? Well, if it's not apparent, first and foremost, we need to be diligent about applying sunscreen every single day during the day and during the whole year. So just go for a product with an SPF of at least 30 and with a broad spectrum. I don't know if I'm able to speak today. Oh my god. Anyway, use sunscreen. Tip number 6 is you need to support and strengthen your skin's barrier. Okay, if you have sensitive skin, you know it can be a bit of a minefield to look after it. You have to be very careful about the products you use, the ingredients inside them, and even the temperature of your shower. I mean, crazy. It can be a lot to track. But your skin's barrier will protect you from the elements. It will keep the moisture in, and it will keep irritants and allergens out. When it's functioning correctly, it's like an invisible shield against the world, okay? But when it's damaged or weakened, well, that's when your problems appear. So look for products that contain amino acids, niacinamide, ceramides, peptides, and fatty acids like avocado or kiwi seed oils. These ingredients will help you nourish your skin and keep it healthy. Honestly, with a little trial and error, you can find the perfect skincare routine for your sensitive skin. And yes, let me tell you, you can have oily skin and sensitive skin. Too much products to control or get rid of your oil, acne, and pimples can make your skin peel, red, and sensitive. So if you have oily or acne-prone skin, know that you can have sensitive skin, and all these tips apply to you too, okay? I think that sensitive skin is like a transversal, I don't know how you say this in English, right? You can have any type of skin and sensitive skin, right? It's more of a condition, I would say. Honestly, I cannot give you like a one trick for you. You need to read the labels, get to know the ingredients, and see what is that your skin like and what doesn't, okay? You're going to find that your skin reacts more severely to certain ingredients and that there are other things that your skin just like. So you need patience and perseverance. Okay, now is your turn. If you have sensitive skin, with oily skin or sensitive skin, very dry, well, what are your tricks? Leave them in the comments below. You never know who is going to read them, okay? And maybe one of your tricks can help someone else, who may be in the world. Listen, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with me today, and I talk to you soon.